Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this week tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlock Canva's new secret element pack, the Twimi Pixel Aesthetic Pack. So let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then create or open any designs, and then just tap on Elements, and then just search for this code. Just type this code and then enter, and OK like this. Once you hit the search, the hidden element pack will appear instantly like this. The overall vibes on this pack is a mix of retro pixel art like this and then soft dreamy Y2K aesthetic. So these elements are perfect for maybe Instagram stories, cute journaling layouts, K-pop or aesthetic edits, scrapbook designs, or many more. And that's it. Super simple, just enter the code and entire collection will unlock. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!